Join us in promoting sustainable tourism, protect, preserve, and appreciate Fort Santiago. Together, we can keep our history alive while caring for our planet. Welcome to Fort Santiago, one of the most iconic heritage sites in the heart of Manila. It is one of Manila's most treasured historical landmarks, stand as a symbol of resilience, bravery, and national pride. But as we enjoy its beauty today, we are also reminded of our duty to preserve it for generations to come.
Hey guys! Kami ngayon sa Fort Santiago, isang lugar na puno ng kasaysayan at isa ito sa pinupuntang tourist spot dito sa Manila.
Pero sa dami ng bumibisita dito araw-araw, dapat mapanatili natin ang kalinisan at kagandahan ng lugar.
Tama, kaya naman ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano natin mapopromote ang sustainable tourism dito sa Fort Santiago.
Sustainable tourism is more than just visiting responsibly. It's about protecting both the environment and cultural heritage while supporting the local community.
Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Fort Santiago. Alam nyo ba, ang Fort Santiago ay tinayo noong 1571 ni Miguel Lopez de Legazpi at halos 500 taon na ito nakatayo at medyo delicate na ang mga structure nito.
Kaya yung simpleng pag-akit ng walls o pag-vandalize ng bricks, maraming pwedeng damage na ang mangyari.
Kaya kapag bumibisita tayo, sundin natin yung mga simpleng rules tulad ng bawal umakyat, bawal magkalat, at bawal magdumi sa paligid. Simpleng bagay, pero malaking tulong. Isa pa sa dapat tandaan, respeto sa lugar. Hindi lang ito basta tourist spot, ito rin ay isang sacred site. Tandaan, dito ay kinulong si Dr. Jose Rizal bago siya barilin sa Bagong Bayan.
Pag naintindihan mo ang history nito, mas marirealize mo kung gaano kalaga ang pag-alaga sa mga ganitong heritage site.
Tama, kasi kapag ito nawala, hindi lang structure ang mawawala, pati ang kwento ng ating bansa.
Fort Santiago enforces strict regulations on waste disposal, maintenance, and visitor behavior, all part of their sustainable tourism management plan. Simple actions can make a big difference. Dispose of trash properly, avoid touching or vandalizing artifacts, and follow the site's rules and guidelines. By doing so, we help protect Fort Santiago's structures and surroundings.
Of course, kasama rin sa pagiging sustainability ang environmental aspect. Maging eco-friendly tayo kapag bibisita tayo dito sa Fort Santiago.
Kaya instead of bringing plastic bottle, magdala na lang ng tumbler or eco bag para less waste.
At syempre, kung may makita kang basura kahit hindi sa'yo, kunin mo na rin. Maliit na effort pero malaking impact.
Sustainable tourism also means cultural preservation. By protecting historical landmarks like Fort Santiago, we help keep the stories of our ancestors alive. The Intramuros administration also implements green initiatives including proper waste management, eco-awareness programs, and the maintenance of open green spaces within the Fort Santiago.
Hindi lang sa environment, sa tao kailangan sustainable din.
Kaya't suportahan din natin ang mga local tourist guide, pati na rin ang vendors, dahil parte rin sila ng ating kultura.
Kaya yung income nila galing tourism, natutulungan din natin sila mag-sustain ng kanilang kabuhayan.
Sustainable tourism empowers communities. By choosing local products and guides, visitors contribute directly to the livelihood of residents and the preservation of Filipino heritage.
Ang ganda isipin, habang nag-e-enjoy tayo, may magagawa pa rin tayo para makatulong.
Sana lahat ng bumibisita dito maging mindful din. Hindi lang dahil sa rules, kundi dahil mahal natin ang lugar natin, pati na rin ang ating kasaysayan.
At kung isipin, simple lang naman. Respect, responsibility, and awareness. Yun na yun, yung tatlong bagay na kailangan para maging sustainable tourist.
Sustainability starts with awareness. When travelers act with respect and care, heritage sites like Fort Santiago can continue to inspire future generations.
Fort Santiago.
Where history lives.
And sustainability thrives.
Let's travel with purpose. Let's protect our past and sustain our future.
So ayun guys, tandaan, kapag pupunta kayo dito sa Fort Santiago,
Hindi lang kayo basta turista.
Kundi tigapag-alaga rin kayo ng ating kasaysayan.
tara na!